Asian food is colorful, flavorful, and full of variety. Whether you've tried noodles, sushi, fried rice, or dumplings, you've tasted just a tiny part of what Asian cuisine has to offer. Asia is a huge continent with many countries, and each one has its own special dishes. Let's dig into 3 awesome facts about Asian food that will make your mouth water and your mind curious. Fact number 1. Rice is a big deal. In most Asian countries, rice is the main food. You'll find it in meals from China, Japan, Korea, Thailand, India, and more. People eat rice plain, fried, sticky, or even rolled up in sushi. In fact, in some places, instead of saying "How are you?" people ask, "Have you eaten rice today?" That's how important it is. Also, fun fact, there are over 40,000 types of rice in the world. Whoa! Fact number 2. Noodles come in all shapes and flavors. Asian noodles are way more than just ramen. Different countries use different kinds of noodles, like ramen in Japan, lo mein in China, pad thai in Thailand, glass noodles in Korea, rice noodles in Vietnam. Some are thick, some are thin, some are chewy, and some are soft. Noodles can be soupy, stir-fried, or even cold. There are so many ways to enjoy them, you'll never get bored. Fact number 3. Sharing is a big part of the meal. In many Asian cultures, meals are all about sharing. Instead of getting one plate for yourself, families and friends put everything in the middle of the table and everyone shares. You might see dumplings, stir-fried vegetables, meat dishes, soups, and lots of sauces. This style of eating brings people closer together and makes mealtime more fun and friendly. It's not just about food, it's about community. Final thoughts: Asian food is not only delicious, it's also full of culture, history, and fun traditions. From spicy curries in India to sweet and savory sushi in Japan, there's something for every taste bud. Whether you're eating with chopsticks, a spoon, or your hands, the most important thing is to enjoy every bite. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.